Welcome to our manufacturing guide. Today, we are going to formulate a 100% natural aloe vera facial toner. The product overview shows exactly what this toner does. It cleanses, hydrates, and refreshes the skin, while balancing its natural pH. It also tightens pores, removes leftover dirt, and prepares the skin to absorb serums and moisturizers. Our formulation achieves this entirely without alcohol. Instead, it relies on soothing aloe vera and skin-loving botanical extracts, making it gentle enough for daily use on all skin types. By pairing gentle hydration with precise pH balancing, we create a premium product that supports the skin barrier, avoiding the drying effects of traditional astringents. For a 1 kilogram batch, the base requires 600 grams aloe gel and 300 grams distilled water. Next, add 50 grams witch hazel and 20 grams vegetable glycerin. For powder actives, 10 grams niacinamide and 5 grams each of allantoin and panthenol. Finishing agents: 3 grams sodium PCA, 5 grams preservative, 2 grams citric acid, and 1 gram fragrance. Moving to the equipment checklist, you will need 8 specific lab tools to compound this safely: a digital weighing scale, a 500 milliliter beaker, a double boiler, a mixing bowl, a whisk, a silicone spatula, a funnel, and clean spray bottles. It is essential to have all of these tools pre-staged and your exact measurements ready before you start. Once heating begins, searching for equipment can lead to costly errors. Now for the production method. In step 1, take your large beaker, combine the foundational aloe vera gel with the distilled water, and mix them together thoroughly. For step 2, carefully move the beaker into your double boiler and apply a low, steady heat. You must maintain strict temperature control during this phase. Keep the mixture exactly between 70 and 75 degrees Celsius. Once at temperature, step 3 is to add the liquid witch hazel and glycerin into the heated mixture, stirring continuously. In step 4, keep stirring as you add your powdered active ingredients, the niacinamide and the panthenol. This is a critical point in the process. Whisk the mixture continuously until every bit of the powder is completely dissolved into the liquid. The reason we hold the temperature precisely at that 70 to 75 degree window is to unlock the solubility of those vitamin powders, allowing them to melt in smoothly without burning the delicate botanical base. Moving to step 5, while still whisking, incorporate your final skin conditioners, the allantoin and the sodium PCA. For step 6, switch out your whisk for a silicone spatula. Use it to gently stir in the liquid preservative and the citric acid solution. The citric acid serves a very specific chemical target here. It adjusts the final formula to an ideal pH level of 4.5 to 5.5, perfectly matching the skin's natural state. In step 7, carefully remove the beaker from the heat source. Let it sit undisturbed until the mixture cools completely to room temperature. Only when the solution is fully cooled should you add your fragrance, mixing it in gently. Finally, for step 8, use a clean funnel to transfer the finished toner into your spray bottles, capping each one tightly. Patience during the cooling phase is non-negotiable. Adding volatile ingredients like fragrance or trying to package the liquid while it's still warm will rapidly compromise both the product's chemical stability and its scent profile. By following this 1 kilogram batch formula, this section shows our estimated physical yield. You will produce 10 complete 100 milliliter bottles of toner. Keep in mind that your actual yield might vary just a bit depending on standard spillage or handling during the filling process. To ensure quality, we recommend using glass or PET plastic bottles fitted with either a spray or flip-top cap. To significantly extend the product's shelf life, select dark or amber-colored bottles to protect botanical extracts from UV light degradation. Now that you have the formula, it's time to set up your lab and start creating. For starter kits, raw materials, or any manufacturing questions, reach out to us at thinksmartph@google.com. By strictly following this documented step-by-step process, anyone can transition from mixing basic raw ingredients to producing a standardized, shelf-ready cosmetic product.